In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable chat in League of Legends. If you're looking to focus more on your gameplay and cut out distractions, this quick setup will make a big difference, and it only takes a moment. First, hop into an actual game. The easiest and safest place to do this is the practice tool, since there's no pressure and no one else is depending on you. This step matters because League has separate menus for the client and for in-game settings, and the chat visibility option we need is inside the in-game menu. Once you've loaded in, open the settings. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon or by pressing the escape key. This opens the full in-game settings window where you can adjust everything from controls to visuals. We're going to keep it simple and go directly to the tab that matters for chat. Head over to the Interface tab. The Interface section controls what you see on your screen while you play. Things like health bars, timers, and of course, chat. Within this tab, look for the area labeled Chat. You might need to scroll a little, depending on your resolution, but it's clearly marked. In the Chat section, find the option called Change Chat Visibility. Click it and set it to Pre-Made Only. This is the key setting. Pre-made only means chat messages will only come through from players who are in your party before the game, your duo, trio, or full stack. Everyone else, including random teammates and the enemy team, will not show up in your chat box. It's a clean way to block out negativity and noise while still keeping communication open with friends you queued with. From here on, you'll notice your chat window stays quiet unless a pre-made teammate types. You'll still be able to see the game itself, make plays, and react to pings on the map, but you won't be pulled into unnecessary conversations. This is especially helpful if you're practicing mechanics, learning a new champion, or just want a calmer experience. If you ever want to see full chat again, you can return to the same setting and choose a different visibility option. But if your goal is to avoid distractions, keeping it on pre-made only is a reliable choice. That's it. Load into a game like the practice tool, open settings, go to interface, find the chat section, and set change chat visibility to pre-made only. Simple, effective, and better focus from your very next match.